Hello everyone, welcome to the first video on Easy Mandarin, and today our first topic is going to be basic greetings. Just before we start the video, make sure you like, turn on post notifications and subscribe so you'll be notified when we make a new upload. Okay, so just before we start learning some Mandarin, why should you learn Mandarin? You should learn Mandarin because China is one of the richest countries in the world, and China manufactures a lot of items, so it is involved in business. And if you learn how to speak Mandarin, you will be able to communicate with other people, so your job variety will expand. Mandarin is also the world's most spoken language, and on top of all of that, it's also fun to learn. Okay, so first we're going to be covering the basic hello in both formal and informal. Ni hao. This is the informal way to say hello in Mandarin. You tend to use ni hao during speeches and conversations. A fun way to remember ni hao could be ni, like on your leg, plus how, like how are you doing? Try to say ni hao 5 times, and if you need to, pause the video and practice more. Nin hao. This is the formal way to say hello in Mandarin. You will use this in essays and pieces of writings. Nin hao. Try to say nin hao 5 times. Okay, so next we are going to be moving on to how to ask and answer the question, how are you? Ni hao ma. This is how you would say, how are you in Mandarin. The ni means you, the how means good, and the ma is a question word. So in Mandarin the sentence means, are you good? Repeat after me. Ni hao ma. How are you? Try to say ni hao ma 5 times, and if you need to, pause the video and practice more. 我很好. This means I am good. 我很好. A fun way to remember 我很好 could be 我, then 很, like the animal, then how, like how are you? 我很好. Try to say 我很好 5 times. If you need to, pause the video and practice more. 我不很好. This means I am not good or I am not feeling good. The bu is a negative Mandarin word, like the English words non, not, or no, and this makes the sentence a negative. 我不很好, and as usual, pause the video and practice more. Okay, so next we're going to be moving on to the topic age. To ask someone's age, you would say 你多大? Again, repeat after me. 你多大? How old are you? Try saying 你多大 5 times. And if you need to, pause the video and practice more. 我岁. This is how you would respond to the question, how old are you? I am years old. Don't worry if you don't know your age in Mandarin, because the next video I will be covering will be about Mandarin numbers. For the meantime, just use your English age. For example, 我 25 岁. I am 25 years old. Repeat after me. 我岁. Try to say 我岁 5 times. And again, if you need to, pause the video and practice more. Okay, so now we've done that, we're going to be moving on to basic manners. Please, thank you, and you're welcome. To say please in Mandarin, you would say 请. Repeat after me. 请. Try to say 请 5 times. And again, if you need to, pause the video and practice more. To say thank you in Mandarin, you would say 谢谢. Again, 谢谢. Try to say 谢谢 5 times. And again, if you need to, pause the video and practice more. Now, To say you're welcome in Mandarin, you would say 百客吃, 百客吃. Try to say 百客吃 5 times, and if you need to, pause the video and practice more. Okay, so now we're going to be moving on to how to say goodbye in Mandarin. 再见. This one is simple because there is no difference between formal and informal, like ni hao and nin hao, so it is used in speeches and essays. Again, repeat after me. 再见. 再见. Try to say 再见 5 times, and if you need to, pause the video and practice more. Okay, so now we're going to go through a quick recap and the individual meanings of the characters we learned today. One of the first characters we learned today was in ni hao. This character is pronounced ni, which means you. Another character we learned today, still in ni hao, is pronounced hao, which means good. And we also learned the character duo, which means many, in ni duo da. Then we learned the character da, still in ni duo da, which means big. Next, we learned the character wo in wo sui, and its meaning is I. Then we learned the character sui in wo sui, which means year old. And we also learned the character ma, and it makes a sentence a question word in ni hao ma. Finally, we learned the character hen in wo hen hao, which means very. Okay, so just before we end today's video, I'd like to give you some information about the next video I'll be uploading, and that's going to be about Mandarin numbers, so you'll be able to answer one of the questions we learned today, which is, how old are you? Or, 你多大? Thank you for watching Easy Mandarin. 谢谢，再见。